Hello friends, welcome back to Money, Business and Finance with Savan Kumar, and let us continue our talk on sales. The last we spoke about reconnection with the people who we already know, reconnection with our family, friends, colleagues, college mates, roommates, previous office colleagues, previous office bosses, and so on. Now when we reconnect with these people, there are two excuses that we normally give. What are these two excuses that we give to ourselves to not reconnect with them or to not get connected with them? The first excuse is that I haven't reached out to him for years. How would it look like me calling them now? How would it look like me calling them and asking them to buy something from me? So let me tell you one thing. You are not going to call them and make a sales pitch immediately. You're not going to call them and say, hey man, why don't you buy this from me? No, you're not going to do that. What you are going to call them up for is to reconnect. And this reconnect would be to reconnect, not to make a sale. You would be wanting to know how they are, what they are doing, what they are into, how their family is, how they are keeping up. So, and all of these things, you are actually just reconnecting with them. And when you reconnect with these known people, when you reconnect with these old people, when you redevelop that bonding that you had sometime in the back, then things would come up automatically, like what are you doing, what do you do to make money, what do I do to make money, what new products I am launching, is it of any relevance to you? You know, they would be eager to help you if they find anything interesting about your product or what you do for your sales. They would automatically be interested if you are able to somehow convince them that you are doing this and your product has these features and how good that product is, and because you are also using it and you have found it very useful, they would become automatically interested in knowing more about it and maybe becoming a customer. Or if they do not become a customer, maybe they could refer to somebody else. That is what we are reconnecting this database for. The second excuse that we give to ourselves when we are trying to reconnect is that I do not want to impose sales on somebody else. I do not want to be someone who is, taking the benefits of a relation and imposing or asking somebody to buy something because he is related to me. No, that is not gonna happen. If you are sold on the product that you are selling, if you believe in your product, if you believe that that product is really useful, then you are never imposing anything. What you are only doing is giving them a good thing, giving them a good product, a good service, which you yourself have used and you are sure or you strongly believe that yes, this could be of use to them or their known people. And if it is about imposing, if it has to be about imposing, who other than a family member could be who you can impose your sales on? So if I have to get the first few sales, who other than the family members can I get that help from? First, it is never imposing. Because you believe in the product, because you are sold on the product, you are not imposing. You are just giving them a new information that has come in front of you, a new product that has come in front of me that is beneficial, that is useful, and you are telling them about them. But let's say that you are not that sold or you do not believe to that extent on your product. And if it is only about imposing, it's okay to impose at some times. If it builds your career, if it makes your career, if it gets you some benefits, your family members should be the first people to take you out of it, to get you the better thing that you want them from. Yeah? So, reconnect and make yourself a better salesperson. Wish you a good day.